Come test drive the 2019 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, bed liner, alloy wheels, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, MP3 player, security system, capless fuel filler system, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.